Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's on the mind of many people looking to lose weight or just feel better in their own skin: metabolism. We all know that a fast metabolism can help us burn more calories and shed those unwanted pounds, but how do we boost it? Well, that's what we're here to talk about. In this video, we're going to show you 6 proven ways to boost your metabolism and burn more calories. So whether you're just starting on your weight loss journey or you're looking for ways to take it to the next level, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 6. Eat more protein. Protein is essential for building muscle, and muscle burns more calories than fat. So by eating more protein, you can increase your muscle mass and boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Fats are calorie-dense, meaning that they have a lot of energy in a small amount. That could be why some people claim to eat more when they add more fat to their diet. Adding healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds can make you feel full and decrease your appetite at the same time. Fats also help you absorb certain vitamins and minerals, so try eating foods rich in fat with vegetables and fruit for maximum nutrition value. Carbohydrates require energy during exercise or physical activity, but not while at rest. Complex carbs are digested more slowly as opposed to sugars. Number 5. Drink green tea. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which has been shown to boost metabolism and burn fat. Try to drink at least 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day, if not more. Some studies have shown that long-term regular use of green tea may reduce total body fat and abdominal fat mass. This has been attributed to the polyphenol EGCG present in green tea, known as a thermogenic. Green tea caffeine is an effective weight loss aid because it blocks the adenosine receptors in our brain, which results in feeling more alert and awake. Caffeine also reduces appetite by inhibiting the production of lipoprotein lipase, which is involved in fat digestion. To maximize its benefits, caffeine. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies produce more of the hormone cortisol, which can slow down our metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Eat more protein is a key nutrient for maximizing weight loss. Considering how much protein is in one serving of Greek yogurt, it's smart to eat more protein throughout the day. Aim for 1 to 2 servings per day to speed up your metabolism and increase your lean muscle mass. Number 3. Strength training. Strength training is important for building muscle, but it also has another benefit. It can boost your metabolism even after you've finished working out. Try to strength train at least 2 to 3 times per week. Cardio exercises, such as running, are beneficial for burning calories and improving health. They also help to build endurance, which can have a significant weight loss effect. Get some sun every day. It's just one of the best things you can do for your health and happiness. Number 2. Spicy foods. Spicy foods can help boost your metabolism and burn more calories. This is because they contain a compound called capsaicin, which can increase your body's production of heat and energy. Capsaicin is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects, which can help prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries. 11. Do you need to eat breakfast every day? Breakfast is one of the most important meals of your day due to it containing protein and fiber, both of which are necessary nutrients that will keep you full until lunchtime. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for many bodily functions, including metabolism. When you're dehydrated, your body has to work harder to function, which can slow down your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day. Protein is a vital macronutrient that's important for your body and your muscles. Women should aim to eat at least 55 grams of protein per day, while men should shoot for 75 grams of protein each day. Conclusion. So there you have it, 6 proven ways to boost your metabolism and burn more calories. Remember, it's important to keep in mind that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. However, by incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can give your metabolism a boost and start seeing results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any other tips for boosting metabolism, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.